Hi guys, this is Karina. So I am back with another video tutorial on my template 47, which she is my poinsettia template. So she has been out for, I want to say, around 3 years, because this is my third Christmas with her. So I wanted to make an updated video. She does have a video on my Instagram TV that I recorded years ago, but I felt like I needed a little refresher, especially for my newbies. So I wanted to share a quick little video tutorial. So template 47, so you will be able to make 4 different sizes with her. You will be able to make an 18, a 16, a 12, and an 8-inch poinsettia. So today we're going to be working with an 8-inch. So pretty much the same way that I'm going to show you right now how to make this cutie, you will be doing the same technique for the other sizes. And if you buy my PDF, I do break it down, guys, you know, which petals are for which size. And if you order my hard copy template, I do separate those for you as well. SVG will be available, not too sure when, guys, just because she does require a lot of petals, because again, you get to make 4 sizes, but each 4 sizes comes with 6 petals. So just bear with me, she'll be available soon. SVG, I just can't give you exactly the release date yet, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the 8-inch cutie that we will be making today. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and I'm going to share with you what the template looks like. So like I had mentioned, she does come with 6 petals. So each size that you will be making will come with 6 petals, and it'll have like a little pair. So this will be for the 8-inch. So let me go ahead and tell you the amount that you will need. So of your largest petals, you will need 5 and 5. And then your smallest 4 over here, you're going to need 3 of each. So I am just sharing with you guys the way that I have created this poinsettia and the amount of petals. But again, you can use this template as you wish, guys. I'm just sharing with you guys the original poinsettia when I first created her. So my petals are prepped, but I do want to show you, just in case you want to do, I'm not too sure if the camera's going to pick it up. Let me pick up a petal here. I don't know if you see the indentation on the petals. I want to show you guys how you can achieve that look. If you want to do that, it's absolutely an option. You don't have to do that. But if you want to give your flower a little bit more character, let me go ahead and share with you what you need. So I am going to be using my McGill matte, foaming matte. Now I did get this off, I want to say Joann's years ago, guys, but I did check and it's still available on many craft stores, even on Amazon. You can get this foaming pad. Honestly, you probably can get away using something else similar. You just need something that's kind of soft. Maybe if you even have like one of those from the crafts, you know, the foam. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like the foam sheets. I think I've seen them on Michael's as well, but you can probably get away with that. You just need something that is soft. Maybe even like, you know, those mouse pads back in the day, they were like kind of soft. That's what you need. You just need something soft that's going to help you make the indentation. You also are going to need one of these rolling tools. Now I did get this off Joann's too. It's from the same brand, the McGill. And it's called the Blossoms Kit. You receive 3 of these. I don't know what you call these, like these stylists. Again, this is an option. I've been on Amazon and they have different versions, different brands for a cheaper price. So it's up to you. But I do really like this set that I got. So again, it's from the McGill Blossoms Kit. So you can, I got this off Joann's. We can get it off. I've seen it on Amazon. I've also seen it at Walmart online. So just Google and check, you know, the brand and see what comes up for you guys. But again, you just need something that has like this soft rolling thing that I don't know that you can see here. So you are going to need a petal. I'm gonna warn you, it is time consuming. But honestly, I think it's worth it. My little two's rolling. I find it relaxing, and if you have the time to do this, then I would say go ahead and do it. So I fold my petals in half just so I know where the center is. You're going to get your tool and you're pretty much going to trace the outline. So in the center, I'm just going to trace it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just like that. And then you are going to making kind of like V shapes or V lines. Hopefully you can see that. So pretty much that's what you're going to do. Up to you how you want them spaced. If you want them closer, separate. Honestly, I mean, it's nice when it's just a variety, you know, gives a petal character. So I did this to all my petals. Okay. So once you are done, you do need something to curl with. So I like to give my petals different curls. So let me show you. So for example, this petal is curled forward, but then I have this petal curled back, or you can just curl your petal just the two sides back. So I pretty much do all three ways and just kind of mix it up. Okay, so for this petal, I'm just going to curl the petals back, but you can curl them forward or back. Again, up to you. All depends on your preference. And then we're just going to cut in the center. You're going to do this for all the petals. You're going to add a small dot of glue and then cross it. Just like that, okay? If you're wondering what glue gun I am using my Sure Bonder mini detailed glue gun. You guys know I'm obsessed with this glue gun. You can also find it at any craft store. But I'm such an Amazon girl. I did get it off Amazon. So let's go ahead and get started. We need to start off with our first largest petals, which remember we said we needed 5 of each. We are going to start off with the petal that is the whitest. Okay, so we are going to pretty much start how I pretty much start every flower of mine by adding a little dot of glue and then placing the petals. We want to create a circle in the center. And we're just adding a small dot of glue just in case we have to readjust the petals, which I am. I'm going to readjust this petal, so I'm just going to lift her up, re-add some glue, and voila. Go ahead and secure this. If you're wondering what paper I am using 65-pound cardstock. This is actually called Red Hot by Poptone, the brand Poptone. You guys know I love Poptone. And I did get this from Paper Papers. I feel like I'm always talking about Paper Papers, but you guys know I love them. So as you can see, we have this circle right here. So I am going to go ahead and cover that up. So I just have an extra piece of scrap paper that I had from when I was tracing the template. And if you're wondering how many sheets I used, for this 8-inch, I used 3 sheets of paper of 8.5 by 11. So there is my circle. I am going to add glue around, and I am going to cover that up, and there is our first layer. We are on to our next layer, which are your 5. Okay, so it's the one that's a lot more thinner and kind of a little bit more wavier. And now we are going in between. So you're going to add glue on the bottom and then go in between the first layer. And you are going to go around in a circle. I'm sorry if it keeps going in and out the lighting. It's sunny and then it's cloudy. So yeah, it's one of those days. So just go around Okay, so we are done with the second layer. So now we need to go to our second group of petals that are your second largest, and we are, so remember we needed 3 of each. So I'm going to go again with the widest petal first. So this time we're going to form a triangle shape. So I'm going to add glue. Pretty much pick any spot. So I picked right here. So now place your other 2 to kind of form a triangle. Okay, so can you see that? The 3 kind of triangular form. So now we're going to get our next 3 and we're going to go in between. So glue, going to add her in between there. Glue in between right here. And the glue in between these 2. There you go. Not so hard, right? So we are on to our last little pair right here. So we needed 3 and 3. We're going to repeat the same process. Start with your wider 3, and we are going to be doing the same thing, that we are going to go in between. So 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, I went in between those other 3 that we did before, and we are on to our last 3, which you guessed, we're going to go in between again. So in between these 2, in between these 2, and in between these 2. And that's it. Super easy. I tried to make this template as simple as possible, guys, for you guys. And it's so cute. So again, the same process what we just did right now, you would do the same process for the other sizes. And actually, you can go to my saved highlight stories, guys, when I first released this template, and I do a whole explanation on my Instagram, Arielise Designs, and just look for the saved highlight story that says 47. So now we are on to the center. So this is the fun part. You can pretty much do whatever you want, guys. I am a sucker for gems. I just love gems. So the first one that I showed you, I just did a black gem. So anything that you have at hand, honestly, you can just put in there. Like just a single gem. And actually these are all, well, this one is from Michael's along with the other one. Or if you want to do a little bling, I bought these off Amazon. You can, you know, place 3 of them. Like, how cute is that? So you can pretty much do whatever you want. On that saved highlight story, when I first released her, I have another option of a paper center that you can use. So honestly, it is up to you. You can even do those little, I've seen a lot of people using these, the little styrofoam glitter balls that you can find at like the dollar store. Throw some in there. Super cute. So the center, it's up to you. I even put, if you follow me on Instagram, you can put a little Ferrero Rocher in the center as like a little gift or like a little table setting thing. If you want to place these, you know, as a place setting, just add like a little ball of chocolate in the center. There you go. Super cute. So I hope you found that helpful, guys, on my template 47 poinsettia. So again, this is the 8-inch, but again, she also comes in 3 other sizes, 18, 16, and a 12-inch, and then of course your 8-inch. To find the template, visit my website, www.arielelisedesigns.com. You can find all my templates there. Make sure to check the top of my banner to see if I have any promo codes for you guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and DM me on my Instagram, Arielise Designs, or my email, which is arielisedesigns@gmail.com. So I hope you found that helpful, and yeah, I will chat with you guys later. Bye.